Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows 11 26x2 installations error. So first guys, if you are connected any VPN, any antivirus, so need to disable and otherwise uninstall. Like this is by default antivirus. Okay, so click to firewall and network protection. Just turn off for temporary purpose. When you restart your system, it will turn on again. Okay, then private network, turn off, scroll down, public network, turn on, turn off. Okay, and then close it. And if you are using any other antivirus, so need to disable. Second method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on run now. So repair Windows Update component. So I'm using this command which is I give in description. So you can type like this net stop and this and hit enter. Okay. Then this one bit stopped, and then this one. Okay. One by one use this. Then this is URL you need to type, like this is older one, so that's why we have to older software distributions to rename. Okay, and then after that it will create new folder automatically, so no need to create. Okay, now then again start services. Then this one start crypto. Okay, and then close it. Next step, repair system file. So click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. So sometime what happened, your system and Windows file is it will create it will corrupt. So that's why it's not getting new update. So just type this and this command I will give in description, so you can copy and paste, and otherwise you type manually. Okay, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. It will take some time, depend about your system configurations. Okay, so after that one more command, this is also important. When it is completed, then next, then guys type this one, sfc space less scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it is start. Next method, please check .NET, it's enable or disable. So click to start, type control panel, then view by select category, and then click program file, and feature, then click turn Windows feature on or off. Now find out. You can see 3.5 it's disable. Select to enable, then click to OK, and 4.8 already enabled. Okay, after that now services is starting, and then restart your system and then please check. Now try to download.